Hello all and welcome to the channel again. In this video we will look at this rear bumper and what was involved to install this one. So when you order this complete AMG facelift kit and rear bumper, it's of course for the 4-door and not the wagon. So that meant I had to order this used one from a wagon. So I'll take this apart and send it to paint. And here you can see the difference between the 4-door and the wagon. The upper one is for the 4-door. And here it's back from paint. So now we just have to add it to the car. So to continue this, I have to replace this crash bar because this crash bar is way too big for the new bumper with the PDC sensors. So off it goes. So there we go, all done, removed. Now it's just to install the new one. And here we have the correct one, a bit smaller than the other one. And then you just push the bumper into place. And here you can see on the sides, you just push it into the rail that's in here. And here you can see an example of what the bracket looks like on my ML project. And then of course you need to install these beauties, but that's a future video. And then you're actually done. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you want more of this, hit that subscribe. Till next time, see ya.